Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine, beta. And in today's class, we are going to do extra questions, okay, from the chapter number 7, Urban Administration. And today we are going to discuss about some MCQs, okay. From chapter 7, Urban Administration, okay. MCQ type and beta, our first MCQ question is what type of game where Mala and her friends playing in the street, okay. Listen carefully. What type of game where Mala and her friends playing in street? What type of game, what type of game where Mala and her friends playing in the street? Okay, what type of game where Mala and her friends playing in the street? किस टाइप का गेम वो होता है जिसको माला एंड उसके फ्रेंड्स स्ट्रीट में खेल रहे होते हैं, ओके. एंड बेटा नाउ हियर इज आवर ऑप्शंस. ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी एंड ऑप्शन डी. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज हॉकी and second option is cricket and option number C is football and option number D is badminton. I hope you know the answer. What type of game where Mala and her friends playing in the street? And beta, our answer is cricket. Okay, Mala and her friends playing cricket in street. Now beta, you can take a screenshot. Now, our second question. Question number second. The question number second is, what was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? Okay. Question number second is, what was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? What was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? Okay, what was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? वो कौन सी चीज होती है जो टूट जाती है रिहाना के बॉल से? ओके, Rihanna and their friends are playing cricket. So, what was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? Here is our options: A, B, option C, and also D. In A option, window, glass. Okay, window glass. B option is street light. C option is glass of a car. Glass of a car. And the D option is none of these. Okay, last option is none of these. Now tell me the answer. Hope you know the answer of question number 2. What was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna? Yes, street light. A street light was broken. Okay, a street light was broken by the ball hit by Rihanna. क्या टूटता है? स्ट्रीट लाइट टूट जाती है रिहाना के बॉल से. Now beta, you can take a screenshot of question number 2. Okay. Now we are moving to the next MCQ. The third question. Question number third. Okay. And our third question is, which agency replaces the broken street lights and collected the garbage and also provides water supply? Okay. Which agency replaces the broken street lights collects the garbage and provides what? Provides water supply. Okay. Which agency replaces the broken street lights? वो कौन सी एजेंसी होती है जो कि रिप्लेस करती है the broken street light? Okay, टूटी हुई लाइट्स को and collects the garbage and also the agency collects the garbage and provides water supply. And beta, here is our options. Option number A, option B, option C and also option D. In option A, police. In option C, hospitals. Option D, municipal corporation. And option D is none of these. Okay. Option D is none of these. I hope you know the answer. Which agency replaces the broken street lights? And also the agency collects the garbage, provides water supply, provides us electricity and many more facilities of in streets, okay, and also in cities. Yes, our answer is municipal corporation. Okay, municipal corporation provides us all these type of facilities in our cities. Now beta, you can take a screenshot of question number 3. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question, which is the question number 4 in our MCQ questions. And question number 4 is, which are the other tasks of a municipal corporation? Okay. Question number 4 is, which are the other tasks of a municipal corporation? Question number 4, which are the other tasks of a municipal corporation? And there are options, option A, and then after option B, option C, and option D. And in A option, to run the schools. Okay, to run the schools. In option B, to run hospitals. In option C, to maintain parks. Okay. In option C, to maintain parks. And in option D, all of these are of in option D, all of these. Okay. Which are the other tasks of a municipal corporation? Municipal corporation और कौन-कौन से वर्क्स करती है? To run the schools, to run hospitals, to maintain parks, and all of these. Beta, we all learn in our chapter 7, urban administration, that municipal corporation also is responsible to run the schools and to run the hospitals and to maintain parks. Okay, the three options is correct. Okay, and so our at least and our answer is correct is all of these. Okay, means ये तीनों वर्क्स कौन करता है? म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. So our answer is all of these. Okay. Now beta, you can take a screenshot. So class 6, today our class is completed now. So thank you class